This compressor is currently taking approximately 0.0 amps. You can see that the reading on the meter is completely zero. In the same way, when I show you the freezer compartment, the temperature here is standing at negative 21.9 degrees Celsius. In this double-door fridge, the issue is that its freezer compartment is working perfectly fine, but the lower refrigerator section is not cooling. This fridge had come to us before as well, and we worked on it. Today we will work on its compressor section and see what permanent solution comes out. We have checked all the possible faults of this fridge. Without changing this compressor, this fridge was not getting fixed properly. We checked its pressure 10 months ago, which was completely fine, but the cooling issue was still present. Now here, the compressor has gone to 0 amps. The reason for this is that when the evaporators become completely cool, the gas pressure gets reduced. This happens because most of the gas converts into liquid and remains standing in the evaporators, and then it slowly discharges from there. Due to this, the load on the compressor gets reduced, and when the load is reduced, the amperes or the compressor load becomes 0. Now I have recently started this fridge, and you can see that at this moment the freezer temperature is showing around negative 0.5 degrees Celsius. And let me show you. You can see the probe is placed here. So I will close the freezer, and right now I will show you how many amperes this system or fridge is taking. Look here. You can see that at this moment it is taking 0.6 amperes and 230 volts are coming. And if you look here, you can see this one is still showing 0.4 amperes. So this meter is faulty and has an issue. But this meter is accurate. Now you can see that this fridge is working perfectly fine right now.
Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.